Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Grafana on Windows Server 2022. First of all, download Grafana from the official website. Next, open the downloaded file, execute the installer and continue with the installation process. If your Microsoft Defender is active as in the following, you may be prompted with the window below that the app cannot run. In this case, click on the More Info button and select Run Anyway. Click on Next. Accept the terms of the license agreement and continue to click on Next. On the Ready to Install Grafana OSS wizard, click on Install. From here, the installation should start, and when the installation is complete, you will be asked to click on Finish to complete the installation. Now the installation of Grafana is complete. If the service is running correctly, you can fire up Grafana on the server as the following. Access the following URL. The default port is 3000. Enter the default username and password. Every Grafana installation uses the same administrative credentials by default, therefore it is best practice to change your login information as soon as possible. Upon entering the default password, you will be prompted to change your password. Simply enter your new password. Now we are presented with the default Grafana home screen.